Hey everyone, Mickey Nunez here with Evergreen FS. Today's video is all about understanding the new Spornado integration on the myFS Agronomy platform. So to get to this page, similar to previous videos, I found the disease tab on the bottom left. I'm in map view, and this is where things start to look a little different. So before it would just be the spore cameras and the weather correlation button here. With the new dropdown, you're able to select Spornado cameras as well as weather correlation. So I've got myself filtered to only see Spornados because that's what our focus is on for today. And as we can see right off the bat, the icons are a little bit different. Traditionally in the spore cameras, we'll see that they're represented by the camera like emoji icon, where the Spornados looks a little different, but they work pretty similarly. So if you click on a camera, you're able to hover over the different data points and see exactly how many pathogens were counted for a particular disease. And in case you've never seen a Spornado, this is what they look like. So they'll sit on a pole at a plant or at a field. And what makes them different than the spore cams is these are actually little capsules that are sent to a lab. So once a week, someone will go around and change these out, and then the data automatically filters into the myFS Agronomy system. So here I just managed to take out the little capsule, and we'll send this to a lab. So it just enhances our data and biologically verifies our findings with the spore cameras. All right, that's a very quick tutorial on the Spornados. If you have any immediate questions, feel free to reach out to me or your local crop specialist. Thanks so much.